this video, we are going to cover how to load a structure using inSTATICS. There are two types of loads on inSTATICS: node loads and frame loads. As their name suggests, node loads are applied to the nodes and frame loads are applied to the frames. Frame loads are sometimes called distributed loads. There are two different types of node loads: forces and moments. You can find node loads here at the toolbar or here at the top menu. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-P for forces and Ctrl-T for moments. When the loading mode is activated, a small pop-up window will appear. This window can be moved around by dragging it with the mouse. Let us load the structure by adding a force at one of the nodes. We have two options for creating the loads, either by giving the components of our force in the Cartesian coordinate system or by using the polar coordinates. Let us first add a horizontal load in the x direction. I will apply 1000 newtons to this node. After typing the load, simply click on the node you wish to apply the load. The load is now visible. All reactions are calculated instantly. We can add more of the same load to the same node or other nodes by clicking. Note the increase in the numerical value of the load. We can right-click to exit this loading mode. We can also select the nodes that we wish to load in advance. Then activate the loading mode with Ctrl-P. Adjust the load we wish to apply. Then simply click on the Apply to Selected Nodes button. This function deselects the loaded nodes, but you can add more load by clicking other nodes. Note the angle change due to the newly added Y component. Applying moments is almost identical to forces. You can either select it from the toolbar or the top menu as usual. The shortcut for this operation is Ctrl-T. Moments only have one component since inSTATICS works in two-dimensional space. Counterclockwise is the positive sign convention. Again, you can add the moment by either selecting the node or by selecting the nodes first and then applying with the button. Frame loads can be activated by Ctrl-Q. There are two options for applying frame loads. The loads can either be given in the global coordinates or the local coordinates. In the global coordinates, X indicates the horizontal direction, while Y indicates the vertical direction. Let us load this frame with a downward force of 500 newtons per meter. If we apply the same load in the global coordinates to an angled beam, it will remain vertical. You can see the load in the local coordinates of the element in parentheses. If we switch the local coordinates, the force will be perpendicular to the frame element selected. Let us try this on this angled frame and this column. As you can see, the global components of the frame load are adjusted immediately. We can also apply non-uniform distributed loads to the frames. This is activated by unchecking the uniform checkbox here. We can now alter the load amount at the left and right end independently. Note the trapezoidal shape. If you're looking to apply a node load to the middle of a beam, please keep in mind that you will need to split the frame at that location. You can provide the precise location of the load with the splitting function. Give the distance, then apply your force on the node you created. Never forget, a node in the middle of a frame does not mean it's a hinge. If you're looking to apply larger loads, you can use the letter E for scientific notation.